Feel like you're sick of missing all the big plays. You hear everybody talking about AMC, GameStop. I want to make plays on options. Oh my God, I just won so much money. Oh my goodness, I missed out on the last option. Search no further. I got you.
1,000, 2,000 trees. I'll make guacamole from investing in my brother.
Bueno.
And my brother. 𝙎𝙤𝙬 I get it with my brother.
Okay. What is good, YouTube? It is your motherfucking boy, The Session. Yes, indeed, it is me. You see me with the brand new frames, brand new spectacles. Yes, indeed, I'm sophisticated. You guessed it. Okay? And so today's video, we have some option trades of the week. Plays that I believe will boom, Metro booming and go that way. Plays that I see the great numbers. A lot of these plays, I want to let you know in advance, are plays that I'm solely picking off of analysts' suggestions to be bullish or bearish and my own visuals of the graphics, the numbers. The data on a lot of these stocks has been insane. Despite the terrible week we had last week, some of these were still up. So I'm very excited, very delighted. With that being said, I'm bringing you 4 plays. Again, we're giving you value here. So if you're watching this video right this moment, this is probably Monday morning. But if you are part of the Discord, you will have gotten these plays Sunday evening. So you already know when you wake up in the morning, okay, cool. Pre-market or whenever the market opens, you know at 9 a.m., you can go ahead and get yourself in these option plays. Rather than waiting, like some of you will because you're watching this on YouTube only, you'll have a different strike price. So the price may vary a little bit, but I just wanted to give you that heads up because if you're in the Discord family, you know you eat first. So that being said, let's open the phone and get into the 4 option plays. Okay, and as you see, we got the high hairballs back again. I grow in strength. I grow in strength with every forward step I take. Some positive shit. All right, here we go to the numbers. You'll see we're using the thieves over at the Hood of Robin. All right. See, we're using the thieves over here at the Hood of Robin, and we're going to start off with the first play, and that is Under Armour. Yes, I know you didn't see this one coming. Under Armour right now is $18.20 per share. As you see on the day, it is up almost a full percent, a little over 0.5%. On the week, down almost 3%. But look at that month. 21% up. The last 3 months, another 24%. So I'm very optimistic with this play. Again, if you don't hear me speak about the facts that are going into it, or oh, who did what's in speculations and news articles, it's just because I'm solely basing this off of analysts that I follow, their movement and trends toward purchasing it, and the numbers I see here. All right. So with that being said, we're going to start an option. When we hit trade options, you guessed it. This is a call we're going to place. So I'm looking at for this one expiration date March 5th. You can choose whichever one you want. If you want more certainty, you would choose a further out expiration date. But just remember, it's going to cost a little bit more money. Okay. But I do have a long call coming up for you. So right here, you see, I would be looking at the $18 call. $18 call right here. Boom, hit that. And for one contract, that would be $60. So this is an $18 call for Under Armour, expiration March 5th. $60. I'm optimistic about this one. This one looks very nice. If your price point is under $100, you may want to check this one out. This one is going to be fire. All right, up at numero dos, number 2. That way. This is Blackstone Group, ticker symbol BX. No, it's not Brooklyn or the Bronx. It's none of that. Oh, no, that'd be Brooklyn. No, it's not the Bronx. This is BX, Blackstone Group. You see on the day it is up a little over 1%. On the week, down almost 0.5%, but that's nothing. That's light to a boss. And then you see on the month, up 3.81%. 3 months, up almost 15%. And so with this one, I do have some news on this one. They just released their reports and their numbers. And Kingswood Acquisition SPAC is looking to purchase this company. And that's what's making this so popular and making it go through the roof right now. With all these different SPACs looking to purchase this company, it's shooting the price of the stock up. So that tells me this is going to be a buy, especially for an option. I'm not sure if you want to hold this for a long time if you're looking to get a share. But for an option play, we pick expiration date. What do we have here? March 5th. So we'll do March 5th again. You see here, we would do a $69 call for this. Boom, $126. So if you have a bit more capital to work with and you feel more strongly to this play, $126, you can go ahead and get yourself a nice option play that will make yourself some money, as you see by the numbers and from the news we just provided. All right, at numero tres, we have something I know you haven't seen nowhere else, because I haven't seen it anywhere. This is VBLT, not a BLT, a VBLT, so it's a vegan BLT. This is Vascular Biogenics. It has nothing to do with food at all. Okay? So with this stock right here, as you see, it is a penny stock. I know you guys calm down. Don't get your panties in a bunch. This is a penny stock. I know y'all love them. As you see on the day, this pretty much broke even. On the week was down a lot, almost 33%. On the month, the same. But on the past 3 months, you see right here, 43, almost 44%. And so what that tells me is the numbers are a little iffy. But with some news I just found, made this one seem like, you know what, if I did have a couple extra dollars around, this is gambling anyway, why not take the risk? And that news is, the news is that they actually just got the green light for VB111. 111 is already an angel number, so that's a good sign. And what that is for the studies of ovarian cancer. So obviously we know how cancer impacts this world, impacts, I don't know, probably 5 out of 10 people. So this is going to be huge. They've been given a green light to do studies for this. And the good thing about this is that this is a long call. So with that being said, we're going to do trade options, and I'm going to select September 17th, expiration date. So it's far out, gives us plenty of time. And this is a $2.50 call. As you see, that's only $65. $65 for this call. And you see the amazing news it got. Yes, the last 2 weeks were a little bit weird, a little bit shaky. We had a short week the week previous for President's Day, and then we had a weird ass whatever happened last week. So, you know, those last 2 weeks were interesting. So don't let the numbers fool you. But this one has a lot of promising news, and this is something I'm very interested in, especially with it only being $65. So VBLT, VBLT, a vegan bacon lettuce tomato. You need to go check this one out. You need to go check this one out if your budget is under $100. And fourth, again, 4 option plays. So y'all know how we come. 4 plays. This is big. So you have 4 chances to select, you know, something that's within your budget, within your alignment, you know, within your interests. These companies hopefully will interest you that you select. But this fourth one is RRD. This is Donnelley. So as you see, just broke even on the day. On the week, up 22%. On the month, almost 40%. 3 months, look at this. Look at 3 months. 146, almost 147%. And make you want to shmoney dance, hit the Bobby Schmurder. And then you see on the year, another 76. So this one for me has shown nothing but upward progress. This one for me has shown nothing but upward progress. So to me, especially with how cheap the price is, I'm going to go ahead and do an option on it. Because I've seen some analysts that I trust a fair amount show me that the gaps on this and show me the numbers on this and say that, hey, some people are bullish on this. Well, you know, it's a sleeper, I should say. And I love the numbers. So let's go here to trade options. We will look at a $3 call. And guess what? You guessed it. It is cheap because it is $65. This one, I'm so curious, and I'm going to be getting position in this one for certain. So I'm going to buy a couple contracts of this in the morning, or actually I'm going to push them through tonight. And again, if the market is not open, do not get flustered. Oh man, will it go through? All you do is I simply push it through tonight. And if I wake up in the morning and it has not executed, what do? Cancel and replace the order. It's very simple. The reason I push it through the night before is because if it's not that popular and maybe the stock price and the strike price hasn't changed much, it has a high likelihood of just going through for me. And I don't have to wake up. You know, I'm on the West Coast, so I may not have to wake up at 6 a.m. to see it through. So these are just some tips of, you know what I'm saying, tips of the trade. So here are my 4 option plays. Let me know what you think of them. I'm very excited to give them to you. RRD is very exciting to me. I need you all to make sure you hit the like button, share this video with somebody, especially people you know that want to make some money, want to get out of that 9 to 5. That slavery's done. It's been abolished 1865. We need to do something that we like, feed and fuel our minds, our body, our spirit. So that's why I'm the leader. I'm leading y'all to the lake. New merch will be here this week. I probably will be doing a giveaway. What'd you know? I want y'all to see the new merch. It is so dope. I designed it myself. The Discord is Metro booming. The goal for the first week of June is to have 5,000 patrons, 5,000 people in my Discord. We are almost at 3,000. I appreciate all of you. I love you. 4 option plays. Go eat. Go enjoy yourself. Have a fantastic fucking day. That's all I got. Until next time, stay awesome, stay lit, stay healthy. You did.